Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create your AOL account. So if you want to create your AOL mail, first of all you have to open up a browser. After opening up your browser, search for AOL mail. After searching for AOL mail, tap on the first link mail.aol.com. After tapping on that link, it will take you to a page where you can sign in your account, but we want to create our account, so tap on create account. After tapping on create account, first you have to enter your full name and enter your surname. After that you have to enter your new AOL mail address. And in third blank you have to create a password for your AOL account. So after creating a password you have to choose your date of birth. So after filling all the details, tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, now you have to enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, tap on send code and it will send you a 6-character code in your mobile number. So after entering your code, just tap on verify. So after tapping on verify, you have created your AOL mail account successfully. So this is how you create your AOL mail account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.